everybody, welcome back to ASKSindu YouTube channel. Today is gonna be a very special experience for me. I'm 23 years old and I've actually never experienced a solar eclipse, and today for the first time I get to experience one right here in England. But before heading out, I want to try something that I remember learning about in school, a little DIY science experiment. I made this simple pinhole projector using a piece of cardboard and aluminium foil. The idea is quite actually fascinating. The light travels in straight lines, and through these tiny hole we can project an image of the sun onto the other side. So I honestly never thought I would do something that I learned back in the school. But yeah, life comes back, everything. Luggage is ready. I've got box and the bag. Let's go. I'm heading to a hill nearby my home because I wanted to find somewhere with a clear view of the sky and the horizon, and this is the hill. And honestly, I did not expect these many to be interested in watching it. Everyone seems to have come out for the same reason, just to witness this rare moment together here in England. Look at that. And here is something interesting part I wanted to tell you. Today isn't a total eclipse here in England, but it's a partial solar eclipse, but it's going to be a very impressive one. From London, around 90% of the sun will be covered by the moon at a maximum eclipse. And this is particularly special because it's our biggest eclipse the England have ever seen since 1999. Well, any one of you are actually old enough to remember the 1999 eclipse? Because I definitely wasn't. And now it's starting. You can actually feel that something is different. The light is changing. Everyone is looking towards the same tiny part of the sky. And suddenly a normal evening in London doesn't feel so normal anymore. This is a moment I've been waiting for. So around 90% of the sun is now covered from London, and this is my first ever solar eclipse. It's amazing to think that the moon, something we see almost every night, can line up so perfectly with the sun from our little view point here on Earth. And look at that, it actually worked. This is my little DIY eclipse projector, something I learned back. It actually worked. Maybe may not be the clearest view in the world, but honestly, seeing the eclipse through something is special, really. I don't know why, but every time I come up this hill, I end up discovering something new actually. So I always feel lucky enough living here. So yeah, it's some feeling that I really can't explain anybody. Look at that view. This is a dream. It's sort of orangish, not too much. You wanna see? eclipse slowly came to an end. The sun began to return to the horizon. So what a beautiful way to end my first ever solar eclipse experience. Oh my god. Sometimes every time I say you don't have to travel far for any sort of experiences, for experiencing any extraordinary or something. You just have to look up always. Yeah, look at everything that surrounds you. And that's gonna be very magical if you notice little things. And of course, I wasn't looking at the sun with my normal sunglasses. These are special solar eclipse viewing glasses designed basically to filter out the sun intense visible light to harmful ultraviolet and infrared radiations. So I use one of them to safely watch the eclipse. And also a simple kitchen colander. The tiny holes, they actually acted as a little pinhole projectors, creating these beautiful crescent shaped images of the eclipse sun. So it really, was literally science happening right in front of me. So you can see the projections at the crescents right through these little holes. And even I had binoculars to see at the closer look, but honestly the view was incredible, but the sun was way too bright through them. So I definitely wouldn't recommend using these regular binoculars to see look at the sun. Please don't try this without proper solar filters designed for binoculars. Sun has said bye for us, and that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really, really hope you all have enjoyed experiencing this beautiful moment with me. I would definitely recommend you to witness something like this at least once in your lifetime. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Love you all. Bye bye.